45 minutes. Oh, this is the worst part.
I see more.
Greetings and happy post-Memorial Day to you and yours. This one was really awesome to do. I hope that you had the opportunity to partake in doing the MURPH Hero workout. If not, you should definitely put it on the calendar for something to do next year. Amber and I tackled this at work, so this is actually upstairs in the gym, so we had to kind of figure out a way to do our run, so we just ran and had to end up coming upstairs and doing the reps and going back outside for the run, which that's fine. It doesn't have to be perfectly butted up against each other. You don't have to do it for time. We're pretty competitive, so obviously we tried to race each other somewhat with trying to have good form still, so that's just kind of fun, you know. It's nice to have a little competition in there. But to the workout, yeah, so Amber didn't have a vest, so she wore a backpack and actually got creative and zip tied a 10 and a 5 pound plate together for 15 pounds. The prescribed weight for females, the way CrossFit programmed it at least, is 14-pound vest, so she basically wanted to have that since I had my 20-pound vest on, and it worked pretty well for her. So again, this was her first time doing MURPH, and she was a little worried about it. She's power lifter background, but I've been having her kind of go into the more functional fitness realm over the past 3, 4, 5 months, and I was really proud of her conditioning. She was right behind me on the run, same with the reps, and she finished strong. She didn't complain, and you know, we kind of talked even during the workout a couple times as to exactly why we're doing it. Anytime we would start to get, you know, in that negative headspace about, man, these are a lot of reps, or can't do this, or why are we doing this? So just remember, again, before, during, and after this workout, and just throughout the Memorial Day and weekend, exactly why you have the opportunity to do things like this, and, you know, have the opportunity to remember and respect the fallen men and women that gave the ultimate sacrifice in the line of duty. So with that being said, to the workout, we both basically did a 5, 10, 15 rep scheme. She did break up her push-ups a little bit differently, which I didn't really notice until we started, but it was kind of smart because she knows her body, and that was the best way for her to continuously move. So she, instead of doing 5, 10, 15, she actually would do her 5 pull-ups, 5 push-ups, do all of her 15 air squats, another 5 push-ups, and then go back to the bar. So she just broke up her push-ups in half. So that was smart for her. She was continually moving the entire time. I did the 5, 10, 15 as we talked about a couple times, and you know, with the exception of my pull-ups that I have to break up a lot, it went really smooth. You'll see at the end my time and everything, but I did end up going about 4 or 5 minutes faster than I did last year, which I was proud of. But I still didn't quite get to that 50-minute mark. I was around 54 minutes, so definitely could push the pace on the pull-ups. Definitely could have ran just a little faster on both runs, but that's okay. That's not what it's all about. In this scenario, we're not in a competition here, so that's just me, wanting to improve myself, and that's something you should always strive for as well. But again, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the series. I'm gonna start something new soon, and yeah, happy Memorial Day 2020. MURPH got us good. This is a few days later and we're still feeling it, so that's a good thing though. I hope everyone had a great time, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, one more quick thing. I just wanted to talk about my vest, kind of give a little bit of a product review, I guess. So my vest that I use is a pretty entry level one. It's Condor Sentry plate carrier. I got it for around $40. That's without plates, and then I found some laser cut plates for around $40 or $50, I think, as well on sale. They don't recommend using laser cut plates because of some people saying that it stretches the fabric and can, damage the integrity of the vest after a while. But I use it once or twice a week for functional fitness, weightlifting, running. I do all the things with it, and like I said, I've had it over a year, and no stitching has come loose. I have no issues with it. It holds tight to my body. It doesn't bounce around. I can even do handstand push-ups, handstand walks with it, and it doesn't even come down into my face. So solid entry-level plate carrier, cheap, not the fanciest one ever, but if it's just something you want to have to utilize every so often, highly suggest it. Again, this one is a Condor Sentry plate carrier.